back with a new video. So why was this so light? Wow. I wanted to share how I did this look compared to my first spring twist video. As you can tell, the hair is very different. This one actually stretches and bounces back like boing, spring twist. So I had a lot of trials and errors with the one in the back, and yeah, let's get right into it. So I did the rubber band method because apparently it lasts longer. So we're gonna see. I should have done rubber band crochet method because I see a lot of rubber band. It could be just me. No, I see a lot of rubber band. But anyways, the parts are neat. The parts took me 4 hours to do, okay? Even if they're so huge, they took me 4 hours to do. I don't even know what it looks like in the back. I'm probably gonna notice when I edit this video what the back looks like. So if you wanna see how I did this look, keep on watching. Yesterday I blow dried my hair. I haven't been sleeping with wet hair in the winter time just because I don't think it's healthy. So blow dried this hair with the Jane Carter solution revitalizing leave-in conditioner, which is also a heat protectant. I believe I always say it when I use it. The spring hair I got on Amazon. This hair is different from the one that I did in my other spring twist video. So this one is really springy. Like, do you see this? I was talking about how the other kind of hair that I got was not as springy. You see how far this thing goes? This is what I'm using. This is in the color 1B30. Came 3 packs for $20. I'm going to use Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold, if it'll focus. I'm going to use the rubber band method. Spritz some argan oil on it in a bowl. The longest process, I'm going to part my hair. I got this new comb, this new rat tail comb. It comes with this, like, with the top already with this little gap right here. I don't know if it's gonna help me part my hair, but we'll see. And yes, I am trying to do for real medium-sized twists. Like, I've been calculating how many braids in front so that I could gauge how much to do in the back. I don't think I ever say it, but I always, when I look at videos, I always look at like how many braids they have up front, and then I kind of get an idea. But my head is kind of small, so I'm not sure if I'm gauging at the right thing. Okay, so I was on the phone with my sister and I was doing trial and error. So this is the first one I've done. These are the other ones. So one thing that's very important, I had to use some kind of cream. I'm using Eden Body Works Natural Pudding Souffle because if your hair is straight, like my blown out hair, it does all sorts of like zigzags. So definitely put something that will make your hair revert. Parting took me about 4 hours. I was on the phone with my sister though. I was talking while I was parting, but still, parting takes forever. I put the cream on the entire row. By the time I get there, my hair will have reverted back. I do separate one strand in 2. The hair is very slippery, so you really have to braid quite a bit in the beginning. And don't do the rope twist because then it won't be like springy. This hair, you have to twist it towards your left. So this is the final look. They're looking super juicy. I wouldn't wear it out down. They were sticking out a bit, but I did sleep with it overnight with a satin scarf, and then it was fine. They started to lay back down, and I actually like this kind of look. So I think I'm gonna wear it like this, like 90% of the time. My next thing will be passion twist with a different type of hair. Hopefully it looks nice. I might do those blunt ends with the rubber band. I'm used to doing twists from the roots. Doing braids and then twists, it's different for me, to be honest. I'm gonna go very quick. This is like 3 weeks later. I'm ready for a new style, you guys. It does last pretty long. Like, the hair is growing. Don't know if you could see that. You need a mirror when doing this. Okay, sometimes I cut the rubber band and other times I slip it down, but I prefer cutting the rubber band, but it's a risky business. The braided part is the part that takes a lot of time. See the rubber band? I just try to take one of the rings. Maybe I should zoom in. I take one of the rings. It doesn't really help because my hair is black too, but take one of the rings, just my mirror, and then you cut it like that, and then it's done. See, I gotta unbraid. I could say so far twisting at the roots is the best way to go. There's not so much product buildup over time. Even when you wash your hair with braids, there's still buildup. And I wash that hair, okay? So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you, the takedown. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.